Very good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Children, as you all know that this week we are doing grammar topic, that is chapter 7 from your English grammar book, articles. Okay, and in the previous videos I have already explained you that articles are divided into two categories, that is indefinite article and definite article. Under indefinite articles, we have two articles and that we have already taken in detail. And yesterday we had gone through the details of definite article the. Regarding this article, I explained you that two important points, that it indicates specific or particular statement. When we are talking about specific person, specific thing, we use definite article the. Why? Because it always indicates specific or particular statement when we know the thing or person we are talking about. Okay, second point, I explained that it is used for both singular as well as plural nouns. We use for both the kinds of nouns, whether it is singular or plural. Furthermore, I explained the three usage rules of definite article the. Let's see them once again. Okay, children, now look at the board. I have written three usage rules of definite article the, which we had gone through yesterday in detail. Okay, let's revise them once again. When we talk about something in particular, when we are talking about a person or thing specifically, we have specification of that person or thing we are talking about. Okay, in that case, we use article the. Okay, the car which I like. I'm talking about a particular car which I like. I'm not generally talking about any other cars, but I'm talking about a specific one which I like. The car which I like. The next one, when a noun is mentioned a second time, it means we have already said something about a noun and at the repeated time we are saying something more about the same noun. So on the second time we will use definite article the. Okay, like Roshan has borrowed my car. The car is with him. So in the first sentence I have used the same noun car. Roshan has borrowed my car. The car is with him. I'm talking in the second sentence also, I'm talking about the same noun, the same car. Okay, so in the second sentence I will put definite article the. Okay, let's move to the third one. When we state facts that are universal truths. Universal truths are the facts related to natural phenomena which we cannot make any kind of changes in them. Okay, these are naturally made, naturally universal accepted truths. We cannot make any kind of changes in them. Okay, for that, in such cases, we use definite article the. For example, we took yesterday like the sun rises in the east. That is universal truth. We cannot make changes in sun. We cannot make changes in the direction east. So the whole sentence is a universal truth. Understood? I hope, children, with today's explanation, you must have understood these three usage rules of definite article the very clearly. Okay, undoubtedly these are clear to you. Now, let's move on to exercise D of our English grammar book and try to solve out their answers. Okay, children, look at here. I have written the question of exercise D from your English grammar book, which is given on page number 39. What is the question? Let's read the question. Identify the errors and rewrite these sentences. We have to identify. What we have to identify? Errors. Errors are the mistakes. There are some mistakes in these sentences. We have to pick them out and we have to correct them, and then we have to rewrite the sentences. Okay, now let's see the first one. There is a sale going on at the bookstore. See, where is the error? There is an error. An. Article an is wrongly used here. Why? Because our noun is sale. Before sale, article an is wrong, because sale is beginning with letter S, which is consonant, and consonant sound. For consonant sounds, we use article a. Okay, so how we'll rewrite the sentence? The sentence would be, there is a sale going on at the bookstore. Fine. Move on to the next one. I think a rain caused all this damage. So children, look at here very carefully. We are talking about something specific. So what is specific? This damage. We are talking about something specific due to rain. But here article A is wrongly used. What should be there? If we are specifically talking about something specific, what should come? Article the. So how the sentence will be changed? I think the rain caused all this damage. Okay. Let's move to the last one. The sun is the star. Okay, here the sun is only one in the entire universe. The sun is one of its own kind. Okay, so this the is correct. We use definite article for the one of its own kind sun. Okay, but here we have many stars, so this the is wrong. Either a should come. So the sentence would be changed like, the sun is a star, because we have many stars in our galaxy. Fine, understood. So we'll use article a for that. Look at the fourth one. Sally is an European girl, but now she lives in China. What is error here? Article an is wrongly used here. How? Because the word European, if we read it, though it is beginning with vowel letter E, but if we read it, which sound is coming? Sound of Y is coming. U, European. Sound of U is coming. So we will not consider it as vowel sound, but a consonant sound. So which article should come here? A. So how the sentence will be? Sally is a European girl, but now she lives in China. Understood? Move on to the next one. Madhu finished all her course within a hour. This is wrong, na? Yeah. What is error here? Article A is wrong here. Why? Because our noun is this R. H is silent. So whose sound is coming out? O. And O is our vowel. So which article would come here? An. So how we'll rewrite the sentence? Madhu finished all her course within an hour. Okay. So the correct article is within an hour. Sixth one. An umbrella on the shelf is yellow. Children, here look at very carefully that I am talking about an umbrella. Umbrella, yes, the article is correct, and then what is the problem here? The problem is here the speaker is clearly specifying whether he or she is talking about an umbrella which is kept on shelf and the color is yellow. So here specification is there. So because of that this article is wrong. So which article would come? Definite article the. Okay, which article would be correct here? Definite article the. So how the sentence would become? The umbrella on the shelf is yellow. Understood, children? Why I have put this article the? Because here it is not generally talking about any umbrella, but a specific umbrella which is kept on shelf, and the color of it is yellow. That is why we have put definite article the. And just to see the next one, somebody is knocking. Can you open a door, please? This article used is wrong. Why? Because here also specification is there. Somebody is knocking. Can you open the door? Can you open the door? If somebody is knocking at the same door, okay, the speaker is also asking to open the same door. So here specification is there. So which article would be correct? Article the. So how sentence will be rewrite? Somebody is knocking. Can you open the door, please? Okay. Last one. Go straight and take a first left. Children, here also article a is wrong. It should the. Why? Do you know the reason? Because just read the sentence again. Go straight and take the first left. Okay, here specification is there. The particular way the speaker is showing to other person that you have to take the first left. Okay, first left. The particular way is there. So, article the will be used there. How the sentence will be rewrite? Go straight and take the first left. Okay. Now children, look at exercise E. I am reading out the question. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences with the correct nouns from the box and suitable articles. Okay, so there is a box, this blue box. The nouns are already given in this box. Nouns are bread, artist, table, banana, sun, owl. And along with that, we have to look upon the pictures given. Okay, we have to look upon the pictures given, and along with them we have to add suitable articles. We have 3 articles, a, and the. So we have to add on them accordingly. The first one is that is dash made of teak wood. Teak wood is name of a wood, the particular kind of wood. Okay, so that is, as you can see in the picture, there is a table. There is a table. So we'll write a table. Why I am using article a? Because this table is single. Okay, it is noun which is beginning with consonant sound T. Okay, so here we are using article a table. Understood? Second, dash has gone stale. Okay, something has gone rotten or stale. What should come? As you can see in the picture, the boy is, what is there in front of the boy? Bread. Okay, so the speaker is saying that particular thing which has gone stale. So that particular thing is bread, and the particular thing, before particular thing we add which article? Definite article the. So what should come? The bread. Okay, move on to the next one. My sister wants to become, look at the picture. The picture is a girl is drawing something. She is making something, drawing or painting something. So she is an artist. An artist. What should come? An artist. Why I am writing article and before artist? Because artist is beginning with vowel sound a. Artist. So which article will use? An artist. Fine. Next one. Dash is a star. The picture of sun is given with sun. Which article will come? The. Why? Because sun is one of its own kind. Okay, it is naturally made. So, the sun. When the thing which is one of its own kind in the entire universe, we use definite article the for that. Fifth, have you seen dash? What have you seen? The picture of an owl given. An owl. Why an owl? Because it is beginning with vowel sound O, the word owl. So with vowel sound we use article an. Okay. Next one. To make milkshake, you need a glass of milk, dash and some sugar. Okay. What is the picture given? The picture of a banana given. Okay. So what we will write? A banana. Why a banana? Because banana is beginning with letter B, which is our consonant. Okay, so a banana.
A banana.
So, after doing these both the exercises, children, I hope you would have understood these both the exercises very clearly. Now you can fill answers in your grammar book. Okay, that's all for today, and tomorrow we will be continuing with some multiple choice questions. We will be solving some multiple choice questions based on the same topic, articles. Okay, for your practice. Till then, keep studying, keep practicing. Take care. Bye-bye.